Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles and we are talking farmers market this week with Kristin Hildabrand. She's the Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm so glad you're here because this is kind of the time where we have so much produce available at our farmers markets that we can make really inspired dishes. And you have one that's plated up here that has all kinds of, I can smell the freshness.
Yeah, I can smell it too. And one of my favorite, the reason I like this recipe so well is because it's got basil in it. And so basil is one of those aromatic herbs that you can really pair up really good with tomatoes, because we know tomatoes are a very popular vegetable at the farmers markets. And so this one is a very easy recipe to actually have. That way you can just mix it up and keep it in the refrigerator, and you know it's easy to pull out when you want to. So this is the plated up Kentucky Proud recipe for tomato basil salad. And so sometimes I feel like I don't get enough vegetables in my diet at times, but right now at the farmers market you can really bump up your vegetable consumption with this recipe. So not only does it feature the tomatoes and the basil, it does feature some yellow peppers. It also has some cucumbers in there, so that one's like almost like a bumper crop that we have at the market as well. And then it does pair up with just a little bit of some other ingredients, a little bit of feta cheese, just throw in those cheeses. And I'm sure if you don't have any feta cheese, you can use another cheese that you find at the market as well.
But feta pairs so nicely with cucumbers and tomatoes.
Yeah.
It just reminds you of summer.
Yeah, it is. It's almost like a Greek salad when you think about it. And we've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, just 2 tablespoons of white balsamic, or if you don't have that, you can use white vinegar, and then it's almost like a dressing that goes on top of it. And then you salt and pepper to taste, and voila.
And you have a salad. And you
Yes.
know, it looks like a great salad to have, but if you were to throw maybe some chicken or even some steak on top, it could be a complete meal.
Yeah, I think you've even had artichokes and things like that.
Yes.
If you wanted to pair a little something different in there as well. But this is really easy. You know, basically the hardest part about it is just chopping up your vegetables. You know, because the peppers, you're going to have to seed it and, you know, dice it up real nicely, fine. And then also with the tomatoes, all you have to do is basically just wash them and have them. But chopping is really the most, you know, that's involved.
And that sounds great. With school back in session, we want to make sure we get our vegetables, something really easy but flavorful, colorful. It kind of just screams summer. Now, where can people pick up these ingredients? We have markets right here in Warren County.
We sure do. So we are very fortunate, Joanna, that we have 3 different farmers markets. So the first one that we have is the Bowling Green Original Farmers Market. They're open Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays in front of Hobby Lobby there. So they start as early as like 6 to 7 o'clock. Some of them get out there pretty early, and then they're going to be set up until they sell out. Then next we have the Community Farmers Market, and so they are open on Tuesdays from 2 until 6 p.m. and then also on Saturdays from 8 until 1. And so they're really good. They're also open year-round, so that's something that's a little bit different with that farmers market. And then the last one we have is the Soki Marketplace. It's located downtown on Center Street, right there, you know, just across from the Hot Rod Stadium. So what they're going to be doing is they have a crop shop. So their crop shop is open during the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from 3 until 6 p.m. So you can stop in there, get some things, you know, after you get off work. That's really nice. And then open on Saturdays also from 8 until 1 underneath the pavilion there, or the farmers market. So, I mean, that's just great that we have those 3 farmers markets. They're very different from each other. They're open on different days of the week. So really you can shop with all of them. Yeah.
Absolutely. And everybody has just a little bit something different. You know, maybe somebody has a jewelry maker, or somebody has, you know, a cheese vendor or a lamb vendor.
Yeah.
And so, you know, I would encourage people to go and visit them all.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, what nice thing about the farmers market is like an experience. So a lot of times they'll have different activities going on, or they'll have different events events that might be happening to kind of go along with the market to bring people out. So check with their Facebook pages or contact them. Even their Facebook pages will have some of that information as well. So you never know what you might find at the farmer's market.
That's exactly right. And it is kind of a treasure. Like when you go and you might see a new vegetable or maybe a new vendor there. Some of them have ice cream. I mean, all kinds of things at the farmer's market. You're not going to go away without a treasure.
Yeah, not empty-handed at all.
No, not empty-handed. So appreciate the information, Kristin. If you would like this recipe or more information about the farmer's market, just contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.